How to use MyCase online case tracker properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. MyCase's online case tracker is a powerful tool for law firms, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce efficiency and risk errors in client management. The first mistake is not setting up cases correctly. Many users skip assigning proper case types, statuses, or deadlines, which makes it hard to track progress and generate accurate reports. Always configure each case with complete details from the start. Another common error is neglecting task and deadline management. MyCase allows you to create tasks and link them to specific cases. Ignoring this feature can lead to missed deadlines and unhappy clients. Use reminders and calendar integrations to stay on top of everything. Many users overlook client communication features. MyCase allows secure messaging and file sharing, but some still rely on email, creating confusion or security risks. Centralize all communication within MyCase to maintain transparency and compliance. Neglecting regular updates is another pitfall. Cases evolve constantly, and failing to update stats or notes leads to outdated information. Make it a habit to update cases daily or after key events. Finally, some assume MyCase replaces legal strategy. While it's a tracking tool, the quality of legal work still depends on careful review and professional judgment. Use the tracker to stay organized, not to replace your expertise. To use MyCase online case tracker properly, set up cases completely, manage tasks and deadlines, centralize client communication, update regularly, and maintain professional oversight. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll increase efficiency, reduce errors, and keep clients informed and satisfied.